Hello. All right, that is really good. Okay. Hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 3867. Today's date is February 6, February 6, 2026. It's been almost like a morning at 9:41 a.m. All right, let's just ask a bunch of questions. All right. Okay. Yeah. The question is this niche growing stable or slowly dying? And am I okay adopting if needed? Okay, that's a really good question. Okay, first of all, what exactly is this question and why am I asking this question to myself? This is YouTube realization question. It's a kind of like a question that when I ask this question to myself, I would kind of like a more realization happen about me, about my craft, about this social media platform, that I understand more about myself and understand more about this content creation and things. Like basically, is this thing, this kind of like a simply like a consider me that am I worthy enough to consider myself as a YouTuber or not? Okay, or any social media content creator or not? So that's why I'm kind of like asking this question so that I would understand more about myself. Alright, yeah. Now regarding about the question says that ki what is the niche is growing stable or slowly dying, and am I okay to adopting it if needed? Now basically what is actually niche? A niche means like that a kind of like a somebody the particular genre or particular kind of like a somebody video that you are making about. Okay, let's just say I make a video about gaming. Okay, yeah. So basically gaming is my niche. Okay, yeah. So I have to be asked this question to myself, that is this gaming content creation or is this kind of like a sort of topic is growing, or it's a dying slowly, or it might gonna kind of like a somebody like is it growing or things and that and that. Okay, like basically is this thing now you have to ask this. Right now my head is actually somewhere else. I don't know why. I'm kind of like I'm trying to talk about the question, but my head is kind of like somewhere else. I just can't really focus on kind of like a saying stuff and stuff like that. Why am my head at somewhere else? I don't know. Like basically, I was just reading my book. Okay, yeah, and just read my book and kind of like a sit here and kind of like asking this question, and my head is still in the book. I'm kind of like still thinking about this and that and that. I'm still thinking about that key. Like basically, me and all my friends are actually went to the kind of like a mountain and kind of like enjoy that much. I'm kind of like a simply like a imagine this scenario, like kind of like a simply thinking about that scenario that happened stuff, how I feel really good and things and that and that. Okay, and suddenly I'm kind of like shifted to this question which kind of like represents the niche and things and that and that, whatever. Okay, so basically is this thing niche? Yeah, niche means a kind of like a particular subject. Okay, a particular the kind of like a what is the video that you are making about. Okay, yeah. Now sometimes it kind of like a bit more kind of like assembly. Like I'm gonna explain this thing instead of kind of like giving you any kind of like a definition. Okay, yeah. So Adi Purush. Okay, let's take an example. Is Adi Purush. Adi Purush is a Bollywood movie which released in 2022, maybe 22 or 23. Probably, I'm not really sure about. Yeah, 24. I'm not really sure, but a couple of years ago. Okay, yeah. Now this movie is really bad. Okay, in so many contexts. Like a bad means like that. It's not really that bad, but like it is bad. Okay, first of all is that this movie kind of like a tell us a story regarding about Ramayan. Okay, yeah. And the kind of like assembly the dialogues are not really that associated with that timeline. Okay, like basically when you see Ramayana is a kind of like a regional book. Okay, yeah. And the words they kind of like use is very respectable word, but they didn't really use the very respectable word. They kind of like use very like a really not good words. Okay, yeah. So dialogues is a very big problem. Okay, yeah. VFX is also very big problem too. But by the way, is this thing na ki we all are accept that ki okay, like you make this kind of like some stuff and things and that and that. But the problem is actually occurred when the movie budget is almost like a 600 crore. 600 crore. That is one of the highest movie budget of this film. Okay, yeah. And after you spend 600 crore on this film, and the output that you get is that worse, it felt like really wrong. Like basically, it's this thing. If someone make this kind of like a same mistake with really less budget, like let's just say 100 crore or maybe kind of like a less than that, it might not that bad. It might not feel that bad. Okay, yeah. Like basically, it's this thing. You spend almost like a billions of dollar to build something, and someone build a kind of like a something just a very stupid thing. Okay, yeah. You kind of like feel really hurtful now because you spend so much amount of money to get so fuck thing. Okay, so this is what actually happened. This is what kind of like a people went crazy regarding about Adi Purush and things and that and that. Okay, yeah. And when this movie was released, like so much backlash happened in the entire media, news media, social media. Everyone kind of like say this thing that this is like a really fuck movie and that and that. Okay, yeah. But it was actually happened in 2022 or 2023. I'm not really sure. Probably 2023. Yeah. Today is 2026. Okay, yeah. So a couple of years ago, it actually happened. Okay, yeah. So many people make a video about kind of like something that why VFX is wrong, dialogues is wrong, and things and that. Okay, yeah. Now, if I make video today in 2026 about Adi Purush, which released on 2 years ago, 3 years ago, is it kind of like a niche that kind of like doesn't matter to the people? No, it's not, because if like basically it's this thing na ki obviously we all know that ki Adi Purush VFX is wrong. Okay, yeah. But if I make the video about today, it doesn't make any sense because the niche is gone. This the trending topic regarding about Adi Purush is gone. It's actually happened like a couple of years ago, and today we are kind of like criticizing about this movie. It doesn't make any sense at all because it just happened. Okay, yeah. Like basically we can't change our past. Okay, yeah. The movie is already released, and yeah, that's it. Okay, yeah. So this is what kind of like assembly the kind of like assembly niche was kind of like assembly fall down. Okay, yeah. Now when this actually happened, okay, when this kind of like Adi Purush happened and things backlash happened, the entire social media platform and things and that. Okay, yeah. When you make a video on that period of time, it might gonna add value in you. People might gonna watch. Okay, yeah. But you miss that timeline. That is one of the really essential thing that you miss that timeline. That is called trending, by the way. Okay, yeah. When anything is a trending, you have to be kind of like a showcase that ki you are part of that particular trending thing. Okay, yeah. And when you kind of like put yourself in that particular trending thing, it kind of like add value. Okay, yeah. Now one of the biggest question that I have to ask myself that ki do I follow trend or do I follow trending? No, I didn't really follow trending. Why? It kind of like add value now. Yeah, it does add value, but problem is that na ki it's not really that ki like basically is this thing sometimes na a trending thing is not match with my kind of like assembly creativity, is not match with the kind of like something is this thing that ki but the genre that I'm doing. Okay, like basically is this thing, let's just say most of people kind of like say this thing trending audios. Okay, yeah, because trending audios are kind of like something very much helpful. Use that trending audio, but most of the trending audios are less than 10 second or maybe like a very less than that. Okay, yeah. And another thing, copyright strike. Okay, yeah, like basically if I use those trending music today, okay, yeah, after a couple of year it might get copyright. So it doesn't make any sense at all to kind of like follow the trending music which is kind of like available today, but year after I get copyright strike. And if I get copyright strike, then I kind of like remove that copyright strike, and then I change the kind of like replace the song and things which is completely disconnect with the video, right? And obviously is this thing also my short are also minute longer. Okay, yeah. So when it kind of like a minute get longer, then copyright strike is kind of like something happen very much. Okay, yeah. Like basically if you make a video in a kind of like a less than 30 second, then you can use any audio. Okay, there is no copyright strike at all. Okay, because your audio or your video is a kind of like a less than 30 second. Mostly I'm talking about as a short piece of content. But when your short is kind of like a more than a minute, then it became a kind of like a problem. Then you have to choose a kind of like a specific song that does not get copyright strike, not today, not year after. So this is what it is. So it's kind of like something very difficult for me to kind of like follow the trending audios. Okay, yeah. I was actually kind of like somebody upload, like I was actually kind of like making my trending audios. I'm kind of like utilizing my trending audios. But when my videos get 1 minute ahead or like a 1 minute longer, then I'm not using that trending audios and things and that and that. Also, another thing is that कि yeah, trending things like utilizing trending song will be really good. It would be add really value and things and that and that. But I think that na कि I have to focus on long term goal, not kind of like a short term goal. Because if I use trending thing, then it would kind of like me alive for that particular period of time, and then it's gone. Okay, then it's gone. So it is really essential for me to kind of like not use any trending song, but kind of like only when I don't really use trending song, the life is kind of like somebody just like a long, like the span of that content is kind of like a bit more longer. Okay, yeah, probably. Okay, yeah, is this thing. Why is that? Because of that, let just same example. Okay, yeah, like basically if I use trending audio today, okay, it might gonna trend for today or maybe tomorrow or maybe a week. Okay, yeah, but year after it's not. And year after someone kind of like watch my video, if it doesn't really get copyright, okay, but after someone watch my video, that particular person says this thing, oh, this trending song was actually happened a year ago. Okay, yeah. So it felt like a kind of like a disconnect. It felt like that, okay, this video is kind of like a year long video and things and that and that. Okay, yeah, that is year long video, that is, but it doesn't look like fresh. Okay, yeah, so that is what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, so that's I'm not using that much kind of like some trending audios and things like that. It's not like that I'm completely against. It's not. I wanted to use because it definitely gonna add value in my content, but like basically at the moment it's not. Okay, and I don't really have any kind of like somebody the audio platform that kind of like gives me free copyright music. I'm kind of like using a kind of like somebody YouTube free copyright music, okay, which is actually available on YouTube. I'm utilizing that. Okay, so that's what I'm doing it that. Okay, so this is what it is. It just kind of like a things, a lot of stuff is actually happening, things and that and that. Okay, yeah. Now this, like, for one of the really important thing that you have to understand, that key growing niche or downfall the niche. Okay, yeah. So trending things are always growing niche. Okay, yeah. And kind of like a somebody, when you are not using that trending, then your content is kind of like a downfall things. It's very hard to explain. Okay, it's very hard to explain regarding about that key like using trending or kind of like a things and that and that. But regarding about the question, okay, the question says that key, is your niche is a kind of like a somebody growing niche or kind of like a down kind of like, what exactly what they say? They say is that key down slowly dying, yeah, slowly dying niche. Okay, yeah. So what kind of like a niche, what kind of like a somebody video that I'm making about? I make a video about a poster design, kind of like a graphic design. Okay, yeah. In a short form, okay, not long form, short form, and I kind of like tell the execution that how do I create this particular piece of content. Okay, yeah, like basically using prompt or using kind of like a Photoshop and things and that to create the piece of art. Okay, yeah, and it's all actually happened within a minute. Okay, so this is my piece of content. Okay, yeah. Another thing is that this piece of content, this poster design, I choose such a poster that meant to be add value something like basically yesterday I make a poster regarding about kind of like somebody the person who get graduation. Okay, yeah, and most of people celebrate that particular person because he graduate, but there are so many sacrifice their parents does for his graduation and they didn't really recognize them. Okay, yeah, like other people don't really recognize the parent sacrifice for for his son graduation and things and that. So I make a kind of like a poster regarding about the person who is kind of like holding a graduation degree with a gown and things and that and he's walking, and his two legs are kind of like hold by mother and father. Okay, yeah, and like it's kind of like a thing is that na ki I try to give the awareness or things, I'm not really sure, but this is kind of like a poster, it resonate that ki we kind of like a achievement shine but sacrifice get invisible and things and that, it's something. So this kind of like a poster I make it, and like this is kind of like a message or kind of like awareness or kind of like a the new reality things and that. Okay, yeah. Now is this kind of like a niche is a growing niche? Well, not really at the moment. Why is that? Because it just, why is that na ki this thing, this poster design, it really required a kind of like a specific set of mindset of the people. Okay, what is a specific set of mindset of people? It's like that na ki, like basically, like in 2026, the world that we are living today are are kind of like somebody filled with lot of kind of like somebody the lot of kind of like chaos and noise and things and that. Okay, and everyone are kind of like somebody just love this chaos and noise. People are kind of like scrolling through things and that. What I, what exactly is this thing now? My piece of content is bit more kind of like somebody bit more like like basically like a like for a specific kind of people. Okay, like a graphic designing people or photoshopping people or kind of like actually poster designing people or kind of like some people who are kind of like a focus on awareness and things like that. Okay, good people probably. And the number of the people are actually exist today for this category are far less than people who are kind of like utilizing kind of like some dancing videos and things and that. Okay, whatever it is. So like basically this thing na, okay, let it just, okay, if you're not really understanding now, okay, I'm gonna give you another example. Okay, let's just say that ki I make a video about the finance. Okay, like I'm kind of like a telling that ki how should you supposed to invest money there the things and that. Okay, who will gonna watch those video? Okay, the people who have money, one thing. Another thing is that people who wanted to invest money at somewhere, those people will gonna watch. Obviously, people who don't really have money, will they able to watch this video? Definitely not. Okay, people who didn't really have any interest regarding about finance, will they able to watch? No, nothing really at all. So basically is this now, your videos are meant to be specific kind of people. Okay, and you have to make your video for the specific kind of people. You don't have to make video for everyone. If you try to make, it became wrong. It became wrong. Okay, don't do it until you, unless you make video about entertainment value, because entertainment value like a comedy or any kind of like a small video are for everyone, everyone can watch, everyone can laugh and things and that. Okay, but if you make a video about finance, or if I make a video about the poster design or graphic design and things and that, it cater only specific kind of people, okay, who associate with the finance, associate with the money, associate with the Photoshop, or associate with the kind of like some graphic designing and things and that. I make video for them. Okay, so this is my niche of the people are also very less, okay, so basically is it growing niche? Yeah, it's a very growing niche for those people, not for the rest of the people. Why? Because they are not my niche. Okay, but one thing is that these people are growing bigger. Example, 5 years ago, there are very less Photoshop or very less kind of like a graphic designing content are actually exist on social media platform. Might be exist, but very less. Right now, that size is kind of like a bigger. Like probably let's just say that ki maybe 5 years ago, graphic designing content uploaded maybe 200 piece of content per day. Okay, but in today's world might be 1,000 piece of content or maybe 2,000 piece of content uploaded per day in YouTube or any kind of like a social media platform. It represents that niche of community is actually growing. So basically the community is actually growing. My content is for that community, so my content will gonna grow too. So this is what it is. Okay, my content is not focused on everybody. My content is actually focused on very specific group of people, and that group of people are kind of like expanding, as well as my content will gonna expand and things and that. So so basically is my piece of content is a kind of like it's only growing. Yes, but it will take time. Okay, is not kind of like a somebody downfall. No, it's not. If I make a video about the Adipurush, then it's considered as a downfall because the trending was gone, everything was gone. So it doesn't make any sense to kind of like make a video regarding about Adipurush. So this is what it is. You understand that? Okay. So when you try to make any kind of like a piece of content, understand that what is actually piece of things. But I'm gonna kind of like give you another thing. Okay, Okay. do not, if you are kind of like a particular person who wanted to enter in social media platform, don't focus on that. Don't focus your niche, or don't focus on that key. No, just don't think about community, don't think about your content, don't think about, nah, just think about you love it and you are love the this particular process. It's a kind of like a thing that na ki, like basically you just need to know that you can love this piece of content or not, or you love to create this piece of content. Because let me tell you one thing, most of the people are kind of like a focusing on what kind of like a niche they does, what kind of like a somebody is this thing that key growing niche or things, or maybe follow the trending things and that is wrong. That is definitely wrong. YouTube or any kind of like a social media platform are not meant for kind of like a somebody is this thing that key you follow this trend and things and that. It's like basically, yeah, like a social media platform are kind of like a somebody kind of like a showing the trending and things for the kind of like a somebody they will get more business, people will stick with their platform for longer period of time. That is good, but for the long term, if you think that you wanted to be content creation, you wanted to be, ask this question to yourself: are you love this process? Are you love this making this process of video making process? Do you love, and you also love sharing your kind of like information to the people and things and that? If you love this particular process and you willing to spend almost like a 2-3 year of your life and kind of like accept that you will not gonna earn money and things and that, then proceed. Niche, people, how many people, how much community size and things and that, you will gonna know later. Okay, yeah, just focus on your work, focus on your piece of content. Don't expect to be kind of like a somebody like a, I'm gonna kind of like a somebody give you any kind of like a somebody the something that key. If you make a full form of video, okay, long form video, don't expect to be earn money, or don't expect to be get so much subscriber until you unless make 100 piece of content. I'm talking long form content, 100 piece of long form content. If you are making short form content, then short form content make at least like a focus on at least like a basically 500 piece of content. Okay, for the short form piece of content, you don't really focus on that key I would supposed to make money from the short form content. At least make 500 piece of content, 500 piece of content, short form content, and then you start expecting things. Then you start expecting, okay, yeah, like basically I have to figure it out niche and things and that. Basically, when you make this 500 piece of content, you will gonna know everything. It's not really that you will not gonna, you are human, and if you try to do this thing, you will gonna know all those things. It's not really that key rocket science and things and that. So this is what it is. Don't expect money when until you unless 100 videos. Don't expect money until you unless 500 short form. Also, this number might gonna get varied because of that key. In today's world, this might be number, but in the future, things might be even bigger. Like basically, for future of probably 200 videos, or in the short form maybe 1,000 short form. Okay, yeah. And why is that? Why? Because it really required that much amount of effort and things and that. Okay, because social media platform is actually growing very rapidly. Yes, you can earn so much amount of money. It takes time, patience, effort, and yeah. But why am I kind of like giving this advice? I still have like, I'm considered as a failure, na. Like basically I have a kind of like a 1,700 subscriber, and that's nothing really at all. Okay, yeah. So why am I kind of like giving this advice? Like basically I think that a failure person might gonna give you a very proper advice, but I think I might be wrong, because failure person might be kind of like give the wrong advice too. Okay, yeah. So don't listen my advice probably. Okay, yeah. If you are, or maybe kind of like listen to the people who already have success or already achieving their success in their life, get this advice. Don't get this advice probably. It just, I don't know, I might be wrong probably. So yeah, whatever, this is it. I should supposed to be end here, and thank you.